Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can find ancient city in Minecraft, so make sure to watch this video till the end, otherwise you can miss something very important. And let's jump right into it. So first of all, make a copy of your world so that if you mistakenly die in that city, your level won't get lost. Alright, so your world file will be at this saved location inside your Minecraft folder. After that, open up your game and convert your world into creative mode by simply editing it in the menu. I've already done that, so start the creative world and open up the chat box. Since we don't know the exact coordinates of the location, we will have to find them. Simply type /locate structure Minecraft :ancient _ city and then press enter. The coordinates of the nearest city will show up. Then open up chat box and type /teleport x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. And then press enter. And just like that, you can find the nearest ancient city. So this is how you can find ancient city in Minecraft. If you found this video helpful, then make sure to give this a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.